Losing a loved one is never easy. Let us guide you through the Colorado probate process. Colorado probate is the legal process of settling an estate. It is required if there is real estate or personal property worth over $88,000. Not everything goes through probate in Colorado. Assets in living trusts, jointly owned property, payable on death accounts, and life insurance with named beneficiaries bypass the court entirely. Colorado probate follows 5 core steps. First, file a petition with the court. Second, appoint a personal representative. Third, inventory the assets. Fourth, settle valid debts. And fifth, distribute the remaining property to the rightful heirs. Got an estate under $88,000 with no real estate? Skip probate entirely by filing a small estate affidavit. This video provides general information, not legal advice. Please consult a qualified attorney for your specific situation. Thanks for watching. We hope this guide to Colorado probate was helpful. Please like, subscribe, and leave your questions in the comments below.